Hi, I'm Brooke. I'm a project coordinator at Aecon, working on the next level project, which is our head office renovation in Toronto. Let's check out some of my favorite spaces. So welcome to the Tech Bar. This is where you can get one-on-one support with any IT-related issues. As part of the renovation, we wanted to increase productivity, which means giving the resources to fix any IT issues on hand quickly. We also have a number of informal meeting spaces, and one of which is over here. So this is a little booth that we have where you can wirelessly connect to have informal meetings or grab a coffee with some colleagues. Let's go check out some more of our new meeting spaces. So this is one of our new meeting spaces. In this meeting room, we have movable tables and some movable ottomans, which allow you to reconfigure the room depending on your style of meeting. We've also invested in some new technology like the Surface Hub, which is fully AV enabled with a camera, microphone, and some speakers. And it's also a digital whiteboard. So last but not least, let's go check out my favorite meeting space. So as part of the renovation, we wanted to mix up the way we did business. So this room is a perfect example of that. So in this room, we've got low, comfortable seating, which is great for collaborative brainstorming sessions. Thanks for joining me on the tour of our new office space. There's lots more to come, and unfortunately, this place doesn't build itself, so I gotta get back to work. Bye.